In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out on Walmart without signing in. Let's get started right from the homepage. Open your browser and head to Walmart's website. Don't sign in. If you notice any prompts to log in or create an account, simply ignore them for now. The goal is to shop as a guest, so make sure you're browsing without being logged into any profile. Next, find the item you want to buy. You can use the search bar or browse through categories. On the product page, choose any options like size or color if they're available, and confirm the quantity. When you're ready, click Add to cart. It's always a good idea to glance at the availability message on the page so you know whether the item can be shipped to your area or picked up locally. After adding your item, open your cart by clicking View Cart. This page is where you double check everything. Make sure the item, quantity, and price look right. If you have multiple items, confirm they're all there. You can also remove anything you don't need and see an estimated subtotal before moving forward. When everything looks good, select Checkout All Items. This takes you into the checkout flow for everything currently in your cart. Sometimes your items may be split into different shipments or fulfillment methods behind the scenes, and that's fine. This button ensures you're moving all of them to checkout together. On the next screen, choose Continue as Guest. This option lets you complete your purchase without creating or signing into an account. It's convenient if you're in a hurry or just don't want to store your details. From here, complete the required information on the checkout page. You'll be asked for your shipping details and the delivery preferences available for your order, along with payment information. Enter everything accurately to avoid delays. Take a moment to verify the totals, including any taxes and fees, and ensure the delivery address is correct. If a pickup option appears and it's more convenient, you can select it. Otherwise, stick with shipping. Before you move ahead, review the order summary so there are no surprises. Once all required fields are filled and you've reviewed the summary, follow the on-screen prompts to finish. Keep an eye out for any final confirmation messages so you know the order went through successfully. And that's it! Shopping as a guest on Walmart is quick and straightforward, and you never had to sign in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helped.